Hello everyone, I'm Vikrant and today I have brought you the next chapter in the tense, that is future simple. In the earlier classes we discussed about present simple and past simple, but in today's video we are going to discuss future simple. Just like we saw in the present and the past, they were having 6 types in them. In the future we have 4 types over here. Okay, and we are going to discuss all of them one by one. So the first one we have here today is structure number first, that is subject plus will plus verb first form plus object. It means in the sentences we have an identity as we had in the earlier tenses, also as we saw in the present, in the past. Just like that we have over here too, that is ga, ge and gi in Hindi. If you have watched my earlier videos, you will understand what is it. And if you haven't watched it now, go and watch all of them, and then you can understand this very well. Okay, so that is ga, ge, and gi in Hindi. It means all the Hindi sentences what we speak in our daily language. All the sentences those are having these ending like ga, ge, and gi. They will be changed with this structure. Okay, that is we need to remember with this identity over here. And after that we have example over here I've written, that is we can see मैं mask पहनूंगा. The sentence is it's having in the end ga. It means this one. Okay, so that is now we get to know that we can change this sentence from Hindi to English with the help of this structure. Structure number first in future simple. Okay, and the sentence is going to be like we need to put all these things, like just like we have in the mathematics, we have some formulas and then we are given some values and then we just put all those values in the formula and we get the answers. So just like that we are going to do over here. That is subject we need to find out, and this from this one, and then will already is there, and then we need to find out the verb, and then we need to find out the object, and after that we can put all of them here and we'll have a sentence. So that's what we are going to do. We are going to find out. So according to that we have, that is subject, mask is all about object, पहनूंगा is verb. It means the work which is being done in a sentence we call verb. So what is the work is being done? पहनने का work हो रहा है. So that is what we are going to put verb. And now we are going to put all these values in this structure and we'll be having an answer or a sentence. Okay. So here we can see I. We have put subject I. After that we have put will, and then wear, and then mask. And now we call in English wear, and after that we have written mask here. So just like this we can make another sentence also in the negative, as we saw in the earlier present and past. Just the very same way we are going to make a sentence here, that is negative sentence now. So negative will be subject plus will plus not plus where plus verb plus object. So here we can see I will not wear mask. Okay, this is the sentence we can see. Always remember in the negative sentences, helping after the helping verb will have not. Then the sentence will be made perfectly. After that we have interrogative sentence. Interrogative means question sentences. Interrogative means question sentences. So the question sentences is all about will plus I plus where plus mask plus question mark. It means we can make this structure out of it. Will plus subject plus verb first form plus object plus question mark, and after that we have helping verb plus subject. We can see here. It means you need to remember this thing very well, that whenever we have question sentences we need to put helping verb in the first place, and after that we can put subject over here. And after this we can make the sentence, that is will I wear mask, and then question mark. Make sure that you do not forget to put question mark in the end of a sentence. After that we have interrogative plus negative. That is, again we can make a structure out of it, that is will plus subject plus not plus verbs first form plus object plus question mark. And always remember, just after this we are going to put not over here, and then it will be interrogative negative sentence. Okay, so here we are going to make a sentence, that is will I not wear mask? Will I not wear mask? This is the interrogative sentence of future simple's first type. Okay, I hope you guys understood it, and if you haven't, then you must see earlier videos of mine from present tense and past tense, and then you will definitely understand it very well. Okay, and now we are going to move on to the second type of this future simple's second type. Okay, let's see. Okay, so here we are talking about structure number second. Structure number second is all about subject, will, be plus object. Now we can see there is a be. And why the be is here? Be is here just because we are talking about a sentence which will be being somewhere or someone. In the sense of being somewhere or someone. You want to be at a place or you want to be someone. In that case, and that is in future you are talking about. So you can make that kind of sentences with this structure with the help of this be. Okay, be we are using just because we are talking about being somewhere or be someone. Okay, so we can see in the structure subject plus will plus be plus object. Now again we need to do the same thing as we did in the first type, that we need to find out all these values and from this sentence, and then we'll put them here and we're going to have our answer. Okay, so the thing is subject we have here, and after that we have will be. So we don't need to find anything after that. We need to find the object, and the object is all about cricket team, just because this covers with this. Okay, so that's why we just need to find out object. Got it? So first of all you're going to put subject, and the subject is I. After that we have will, so we're going to put will over here, that is will. After that we'll put be from the sentence, and after that we have an object. And how you're going to put that object is where you want to be. You want to be in a cricket team. So that is what we have written over here, that I will be in a cricket team. I'll be in a cricket team. Got it? And after that again we are going to make the negative sentence out of it, and that is the same and simple just like before. I will not. Remember this? Helping verb and then not. So that's the same thing we're going to do here. That is I will not be in a cricket team. That is the negative sentence of future simple second type. Okay. After that we have interrogative sentence again. Again we need to recall the same thing, that helping verb will be in the starting. So that is what we have done here. Will I be in a cricket team, and then we have put question mark here. That is the thing we do not need to forget at all. Okay. After that we have interrogative negative. That is helping verb, subject, not, be, and then object. So now we can make the sentence will I not be in a cricket team, and then question mark. So just the very same way as we did in the first type, we have done in the second type again, and we have made this sentence here, and I hope you understood it very well. Now we're going to move on to the type number third in future simple. Okay, let's see. Okay, so here we are discussing structure number third, type number third of future simple. So that is subject plus will plus have plus object. And again we have that identity to identify the sentence, what kind of sentence we are going to make with this structure, and that is possession. Possession, as we learned in the present and in the past also, this kind of sentence, that how do we make the sentence in which we are talking about possession. Okay, so that is the same thing we are going to make here. So the sentences we can see here, मेरे पास एक कार होगी. The thing is like you are talking about a possession, but the possession you are talking about which will be in future. So that is why we are going to make this sentence with this type of future simple. Okay, so here we are going to make again the same process we're going to use. Here is the formula, here is the sentence. We are going to find out all the formula values and then we're going to put them and then we'll be having our answer again. Okay, so that is subject. We need to find out the subject. So subject is all about I. Again here I, and after that we can put will from there. Then we can put have in the sense of possession we have. This is after that object. The object is all about car here in the sentence. Okay, a car. Just because we are talking about in the sentence that I'll have a car. So the sentence will be like I as a subject, will from the formula, have from the formula, and after that object. From here we can find out the object, and that is car. So that will be I will have a car. Got it? Next we have negative sentence again. So the negative sentence will be like I will not have a car. You are not supposed to change anything. You just need to remember one thing, that is you can just put not, as we learned earlier, after the helping verb, and the sentence will be totally fine. Okay, and again in the interrogative sentence we gotta do the same thing. We gotta put our helping verb in the first place, and after that we're gonna put our subject, and later on everything, and the sentence will be fine again. Okay, so we can see will I have a car. Okay, I hope you got it. After that we have interrogative plus negative. Again the same thing we are gonna do, that is helping verb plus subject plus not plus have plus object, as we saw in the structure. Got it? So will I not have a car? Interrogative plus negative sentence we made with the third structure. I hope you got it. Remember the third structure we use in the sense of possession. In the sense of possession we use third structure, in which we are talking about somebody's or someone's possession. They possess something. As in the sentence we can see मेरे पास एक कार होगी. It means you are talking about your possession in future, and we made this sentence. Now we are going to jump on to the fourth type of our future simple. Okay, let's see. Okay guys, so as we are talking about structure number 4th over here. Okay, structure number 4th we have, that is structure number 4 in the future simple, and that is subject plus will plus have to plus verb plus object. Okay, that is subject plus will plus have to plus verb's first form, and then we have object in the end. Okay, and in this sentence what kind of sentences do we make with the help of this structure? That is we need to find out, and just because of that I have written here the identity, and the identity is forcefully or unwillingly. We have seen the same thing when we were discussing present simple and past simple. We have talked about the same thing earlier too. Okay, so again we are talking about that, and here we can see is मुझे किताब पढ़नी पड़ेगी. It means you will not feel like doing it, but still you will have to do it. That is forcefully. You are not willingly reading it. So you can say I will have to read book. Now again there is a question, how did we make this sentence? Again there is the same process we are going to follow. We need to find out subject, and then verb's first form, and then object. These three things we need to find out from this, and that is I as a subject, and will we can take from here, and then we can take have, and then we can take to, and after that we have verb's first form. So the work, whatever the work we are doing in the sentence, and the work is being done in the sentence is read. We are going to read a book. Okay, so read is verb's first form, and after that we have object. What are we going to read? A book. So that is an object. Okay, so just like this we can make the sentence, that is I will have to read book. Next we have negative sentence again, and negative sentence is like I will not have to read book. Again the same thing we need to remember. After the helping verb we are going to put our negative. It means not. Okay, so that is I'll not have to read book. Now we are going to talk about interrogative sentence. Okay, that is helping verb, then subject, then have to, then verb's first form, and then object, and then question mark. So here we can see the sentence that is will I have to read book question mark. Got it? And after that we have interrogative plus negative, that is will I not have to read book question mark. That is after this subject we can put not, and again the same sentence will be there. So we can see will I not have to read book plus question mark. So just like this we have done our future simple finally. Okay, future simple is totally done. In the future simple we talked about 4 kind of sentences: first, second, third, and then here we have the fourth one. I hope you guys understood it very well. And again I'm saying, if you haven't, you must watch earlier videos of present simple and past simple, and along with that a video which I did as an introduction of a sentence. Okay, before this tense I did an introduction of a sentence. You need to read all of them, and after that definitely you will understand this very well. I hope this video will help you understand all of them. Okay, thank you so much.